What's up, guys? Say Sky, and today we're gonna be going on Monkey. I was gonna do this video with Grace, but it's not really friendly, so she's gonna have to sit this one down. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe, and yeah. So without further ado, let's just get straight to this video.
Best pussy on the planet.
Who got the best?
How are you?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet y'all.
Okay. What's your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Okay. Yeah, soccer. So what's your favorite team?
Argentina.
Okay. Okay. Where are you from?
Georgia.
Okay. Speak Spanish or English?
Both.
Okay. Speak Spanish. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola.
Dis que tu viens d'Espagne. Yo vengo de España.
Yo vengo de Georgia.
Okay. English is bad. I'm so sorry, you know.
It's good.
Okay. Friends?
I said, have a good day.
Oh, have a good day. You too.
Bye.
No, period.
Yo.
And
How was your guys' Valentine?
that so good.
Uh,
Oh, actually, no, it's here. So,
how was it? Like, y'all do anything or?
yeah, we came to a hotel and ate seafood.
That's cool. I got broken up with.
Oh, my best friend did too.
What's up, buddy?
Yo, how was your Valentine?
My bitch got me this fat ass bear.
Damn. That's cool. I got broken up with, so.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
On Valentine's?
Yeah, it's something about me being DL, but I don't even know what that means, so.
Oh, that means you're down low, fool. You're kind of gay.
What?
That's what she meant. DL, down low, fool. You're kind of gay.
So she's trying to say I'm gay?
Yeah, fool.
Damn.
I know, bro. That sucks. Hey, fool, you be alright.
Nah, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
You do anything? Oh.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy figure. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga.
It fucking random skip us.
Yo.
Hello. What's up?
Down south, bad bitches, street shit, so ratchet.
I don't like this game. Motherfucking phone.
Down south, bad bitches, street shit, so ratchet. Embarrassing. Yo. Down south, bad bitches, street shit, so ratchet.
Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher.
What? Y'all had a Valentine?
Yeah,
How was it?
he's great.
That's cool. What about you?
Valentine's.
Huh?
Girl, why are you so glitchy?
My Valentine's with you.
Me?
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, did you have one?
Nah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Guess.
Like 18.
17.
Interesting.
How old are y'all?
Levi. Yeah.
Alright, that's cool.
No, I'm 16, but I turned 17 on the 23rd.
That's cool. Alright.
Okay, is it just me or Jeremiah is a girl name?
Jeremiah? No. Jeremiah, no. I don't think so.
Jeremiah. Jeremiah.
No.
Jeremiah.
No.
He sounds like a girl name, or maybe I'm just being petty, but that really do sound like a girl name.
I mean, I can see it. I can see it.
I'm sorry, I got two phones, and I'm currently on the phone with somebody, and I just heard them say, "What you doing, Jeremiah?" And Jeremiah is not my name. My name is Callie. And they're gonna be fucked up. Fucked up.
Claudette.
Hello.
You look pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
I hope you understand that she come like this.
Down
She go,
south,
"Bend
bad
me
bitch,
over,
street
bend
shit,
me
so
over,
ratchet.
bend me over."
Oh.
Like, bitch, so quick to skip a nigga.
Oh, down south, bad bitch, street shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Y'all had a Valentine?
Huh?
Y'all had a Valentine?
But no, my shit was ass. I ain't gonna lie. How was your... Turn it down a bit.
Down south, bad bitch, street shit, so ratchet. Yo.
Thank you. Yo. My name is Layla. I love to go to the beach.
What?
And I'm about to whip your ass. But you low-key look so fine. Bye.
What's good with it, bro?
Yo. You had a Valentine?
Hell yeah.
I was.
She right here. Come on, for a second.
Go.
What's up, guys?
What's up? How are we doing today? Hello. Come on. Give me something. How was your day today?
Y'all had a Valentine?
My heart aches. I need you to answer. Get up for me real quick. Good boy.
Yo.
Hi.
Wait, how old are you?
13.
All right, bye. Down south, bad bitch, street. Oh. Yo. I like your lashes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all look pretty.
Yo. You are too.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yo.
Hello.
How was your Valentine? That's good.
The line of the night.
Yo.
Yo. Hi.
How was your guys' Valentine?
Huh? It was good.
How was your guys' Valentine?
It was great. It was
That's
good.
good.
Oh my god.
I got broken up with something about me being DL, so I don't know what that means.
Are you? You know what? It's okay if you are.
What do you mean?
But
What do you mean?
like, are you DL?
What's that?
Like, you like niggas on the low, you know?
Are you gay?
No.
Okay. Then
So now you need to boss up and go get another girl that looks better than her. Cause you did not deserve that.
You know what? It's okay.
Thank you. Oh, also,
Okay, bye.
happy Black History Month.
Thank you.
I love you guys. All right. Yo.
Okay.
How was your?
I feel like you can like play an instrument.
No, but I can sing. I can
No?
sing.
You can sing really good.
Yeah.
Cool. I was gonna say you look like you give me like something about you's gonna give. Something about you's gonna give.
Thank you. How was your Valentine?
It was okay. Didn't do much. Stayed home.
Well, I got broken up with, so
On Valentine's?
yeah, something about me
Crazy
being
work.
DL.
You what?
Something about me being DL, but I don't know what that means. So
Oh, it's okay. My ex nigga was DL too.
what
He
does
still
that?
hasn't come out, but I know.
Oh, what does that mean?
Means you gay. On the down low.
Damn,
The DL.
you got some clear skin.
Bro, lies, bro. Yeah. Up close, bro. Don't let the camera fool you, bro.
I'm being serious. Like you got some clear skin.
Don't make me cry. I needed this today. I literally, that's why I already. I was like, you know what? I need some like thirsty ass. I don't get a compliment. I'm calling you thirsty at all.
Yo. How was your Valentine?
Huh?
How was your Valentine? Oh, why?
I'm single.
Oh, it's okay. You're really pretty though, so.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. Yo,
Oh, you look cool.
thank you. How was your guys' Valentine?
It was all right. I went out with my family.
And you?
How was yours? Oh,
I
well,
stayed
just,
home.
yeah. That's such a nice vibe. So nice.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, have a good day.
You too.
So,
How was y'all guys' Valentine?
it sucks because my Valentine had a friend over that didn't even spend time with me.
How was yours?
I don't have a lover.
I got broken up with, so it's cool.
I never had a relationship. I've been single my whole entire life till now.
Oh,
Now, who's your boyfriend? Who's your girlfriend boyfriend now? Till now,
That wasn't me. I promise.
Oh, I'm
Please don't
sorry.
see me.
no, you're good. You're good.
That was my sister. She's kind of very special.
not you. I swear, not.
No, it's okay.
That sounded like Bryce. Okay, so I want to tell you something. So, like, a couple hours ago when we were doing this,
We both gotta go in.
2 men. Anyway, hello.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Alan. What you doing?
Oh, nothing.
That's good.
How was y'all Valentine?
Huh?
How was y'all guys' Valentine?
Shitty. I mean, I just was blood the whole day watching movies. So
Well, I got broken up with, so it's okay.
that's not funny.
Nah, it's cool.
I don't know why
I'm
Jermaine
not gonna
laughed.
hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. Fuck that hoe. She didn't mean shit to you
Yeah.
anyways.
She was talking about
Why?
something about me being DL. I don't even know what that means, so. Yo,
Yo,
how was your Valentine?
amazing. I got high all day.
Alright, I got broken up with, so it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, something
What
about me
happened?
being DL. I don't even know what that means.
Hmm?
Something about me being DL, but I don't even know what that means. What?
Down low,
What's that?
like in the closet.
Oh, you mean gay?
Yeah. I don't say that.
Nah, it's cool. Alright, have a good day. Yo,
Hey,
how was your Valentine?
it was really bad, but it was good. It was good and bad.
What happened?
Well, first of all, I got broken up with.
I got broken up with
Yeah.
too, so it's cool.
Did you really, or are you just saying that?
No, something about me being DL, but I don't even know what that is. So.
What he do?
DL means down low.
What's that?
Gay.
They need to do fucking
Gay?
better.
That means that she's saying that you was gay,
Oh,
but you're down low, like you don't show it. Are you?
Mm-hmm.
Why I take you forever to answer?
no.
If you like dick in your butt, then say that.
I mean, I thought about it, but
I need you out by tomorrow.
See, if you go that route, you're never gonna get nothing you want in life.
so I gotta go the right way.
Yeah, you're a boy, so do pussy instead of dick. Thank ya.
Sky. I little Paris. This shit thought I don't kiss. Bad little bitch. Tell me she wanted, I get. Glock with a switch. Shoot it up on the clip. I know I'm the shit. Do what I want and I did. I little